How to fix Facebook Messenger easily and fast. Hello guys, if you have any problem with the Facebook Messenger in your phone, this video is gonna help you. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps. So all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds and then scroll down until you find the Facebook Messenger. When you find the Facebook Messenger, all what you want to do is click on it and then click on force stop and then go to the data usage right here. Make sure that all these options are enabled and disable the roaming data right here. Go back and then click on the storage, click on clear cache and clear data, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.